Hello, Daniel. Hello, Catalyst African Townhall and the entire Cardano community. It's a great opportunity once again for us to be here to present our project to the community and seek support and share ideas, see how best we can collaborate. So in this time around, we are coming in the angle of education, not usually from the governance and other educational events. So the overview of our project is that we had a feasibility study in the form of survey to understand the level of knowledge among the Ghanaian blockchain enthusiasts, as well as the Cardano enthusiasts here in Ghana. So from this study, we get to realize that a lot of these people, blockchain enthusiasts here in Ghana, are facing a lot of challenges and barriers when it comes to accessing quality blockchain education, because we found out from that research that a lot of them still doesn't understand the difference between blockchain and cryptocurrency and some of the use cases of blockchain when you ask them. So, and we also try to find out the level of blockchain education courses that they are aware of, and none of the response was so low, considering the level of high quality of blockchain education available in the viral ecosystem as well as in Cardano. And then so embarrassing that we say that it's time for us to also promote the Cardano CBCA. And then this course is just a well-designed course by the Cardano Academy itself. Members here are aware of the course. I myself, I read the course during the Alpha 2 program, where I also earned a certificate for joining or reading that course. So at the end of it, we want to empower this individual with the level of blockchain knowledge, high and quality one. So by the time they are able to finish the course, at least we expect them to increase the adoption of the technology of Cardano in Ghana here, as well as research and innovation. This is purely educational project. It will better position them to participate in governance in the ecosystem whilst we are moving towards and then the ratification of the constitution. It will enhance the developer ecosystem. You know, some of them are computer science students. So among them who are so curious, and then their Web2 developers could enhance to become Web3 developers in the Cardano ecosystem. It will widen the industrial recognition and legitimacy. As I mentioned, a lot of educational institutions here in Ghana, as well as industry, still don't give a listening ear when we try to convince them about blockchain technology and tell them how powerful it is when they adapt it into their business and to their daily life. So if we have professionals and then students or people in their midst reading a blockchain course, they will better position to explain it to themselves and then explain it to their peers as well as their co-workers, which will increase the adoption and the recognition of the ecosystem. So overview of it or the implementation strategy is that the people that we have already reached out to, possibly with your support as a community, we will just reach out to them and then tell them our initial plans and then arrangement for us to get them on board to read this course. So we are going to have a physical educational info session where we try to let them understand the dashboard. They register through their respective dashboard, and then we'll give them 8 weeks period. So since a program, we give them 8 weeks, that's about 2 months to read the course. When they are done, we plan to sponsor 50 people with your support as a community to sit for the exam, where we have 35 being students and 15 being professionals. So there are 2 types of certificates from these exams. When you are done reading the course, you'll be given the certificate of completion. And then the second one is the technical certificate. So this is what will happen when they are done reading the course. These 50 people that we mean to sit for the technical exam, you need to pay about $99, if I'm not mistaken, to sit for that exam. And that exam is being written physical. It's not online. You have to sit physical with your national ID and another document that is you need to be able to register for the exam. So we support them to do that. So we also give them 4 weeks window to prepare for that. And then when they are done, we have a graduation ceremony to induct them into the ecosystem and introduce them to the governor who's here in Cardano, as well as educational projects, so that they can better position. So a quick one on our team experience. We have been around since 2021 with your support. We have 4 of our projects being executed, and 1 is at the final milestone. We hosted the Catalyst working groups as well as the constitutional working groups, hosting the annual Cardano summit, as well as a lot of community events that we've been doing here. We are so transparent when it comes to reporting of our events. So overview, we are seeking 50,000 in IDA to support this project. So in summary, the CBCA course will build a well-educated, highly skilled community that will drive adoption, innovation, and governance within the Cardano ecosystem. It will create a continuous growth and improvement among our members here in Ghana. So as I mentioned earlier, it will give us the opportunity to provide a certified Cardano blockchain certificate to 50 people, while we target to reach out to more than 50 people, another 50 people to also read the course. So thank you very much for the opportunity. And then I'll just encourage you to sign up. For those of us who have already signed up from the voting app, during the voting time, set for the Cardano Blockchain Associate, Certified Associate for the Ghanaian professionals and students. I'll share the link as well as the feasibility study link in the chat so that you can get to read that. It is available on forum for your support. Thank you very much.